Hello guys, have you ever wondered how to choose the perfect use excavator? Today I come to the excavator yard and show you the tricks that we can make. First, start with the undercarriage. Whether it's a compact mini excavator or a large model, check for any wear and tear. Worn out rollers or tracks can cost you big on repairs. And next, take a look at the hydraulics. It's all about smooth operation. If you feel jerky movements or sea leaks, it's a red flag for repairs. And don't forget the engine. Listen for any weird noises or see if it starts easily. Engine performance tells you a lot about the machine's health. Don't forget, always ask for a maintenance log. A well-maintained machine has a longer life and fewer surprises. Finally, consider your work environment. Whether it's for construction, mining, or demolition, make sure you choose the right model for your needs. With the right machines, your job becomes more easier. MechLink helps you make a good choice every time.